Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So I am again with a new video tutorial around the Moodle. So in this video we will try to learn how to remove any block from this section without uninstalling any block. Okay, so let's start. So for doing that you must note the block name first, and this block name will not be the display name here. Like, let me tell you. So I want to remove here the overview, my overview. Okay. So there is a setting page you will find under the appearances. Then you have to come to your current active theme. In my case, that is Boost. Then here you see unneeded block. Default by default it remove navigation, setting, course list, and section list. The block specified are not needed when using this theme and will not be listed in add a block menu. Okay, so I just tried checking my overview so that here it is not appearing as you see here. And now I have removed that my overview from that setting, and you can see your my overview is coming here. Okay, why I am saying my overview? Because that this name will be required, not this display name. You have to copy this name, that you will find this name under block, then my overview, and you have to use this name so that you can hide that. Okay, now you are seeing course overview, and let me add this one, and you can add as much as you can by using comma separated. Let me save this one, click on save changes, and now refresh again, and you will find overview is not coming. Just click on block. Okay, now you see overview is not coming. Let me try one more. Let this comment I want to hide so that no one can add this block. Search for the comment here. You see the comments here, you also see the comments here. Copy this one, just paste in the right, comma separated, click on save changes, refresh this page, and here click again on add a block, and now you see comment is gone from the list. So this is how you can hide any block from add a block section. There is one more question. It might be raising your mind that what if I already added? Okay, so if you have already added that block, that means it will not go, it will be appearing as it is. If you have already added, it will appear only from the list of add a block, that particular block will be gone. Okay, so this is how you can hide any block from adding by using a add block section. So hopefully you guys will try replicating the same thing at your end so that you will have the grabs easily. So thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.